Rosie.
I think must have been 19 or 20. We were still in Versatile. So we always would take these annual trips to Palm Springs. And one of this year we went, right? And usually we are separated, like the girls' room and then the boys' room and stuff like that. There's always 4 of us in each hotel room. We're in the hotel one night. We're getting ready for bed or whatever. We're still talking just as girls. And we get a phone call. And then one of my friends picks it up, but none of us are paying attention. She immediately just slams the phone on back down, and she's like, "You guys," and we're like, "What?" And then she was like, "I heard like a little giggling in the like it was far away though. It sounded far away from the phone." And we're like, "You're just trying to scare us. Don't do that." And then she's like, "No, I'm serious. I'm freaking out." Like she was starting to shake. And I'm like, "You're just trying to scare us, whatever it is." So whatever, we're just chilling. Usually we had pizza cartons and stuff like that because we just ate pizza. So this is night. And 2 of us, not me, I didn't go anywhere because I was like, it was cold outside. But so I made one of the 2 younger ones go. So we're there chilling around, and we hear scurrying because we're upstairs in the hotel room. We heard scurrying, and then 2 of our friends just bust out into our room. And then we're like, "What happened?" She's like, "Dude, we just saw a guy, like just a random stranger just standing by the garbage can." And we're just like, "Are you for reals?" And then they're like, "Yeah, dude, he's there. We're like, come see." We're like, "We're not gonna go see." And then
come look at the dangerous man standing next to a trash can.
Let's go to danger. I was like, "No, you idiots!" Like no, we're gonna do what? Like, what do you mean? What did he look like? He's like, "We didn't see his face, but he was just wearing all black, and he was just standing there, like too close, so we didn't go." And they had all the garbage in their hands still, or whatever. We're like, "Okay, we'll just calm down. We can just," for me, I'm just like, someone's tricking us. So we texted one of the guys in the boys' room, because, boys be boys. We're like, "Hey, did you guys call us?" They're like, "Dude, no, we're playing Yu-Gi-Oh!" Like, dude, like you interrupted us. And I was like, I kind of believe that.
So checks out.
And these girls are in tears already. And I'm starting to believe that I'm like, this is dangerous. And because the directors, they have their own room and it's all of us separately. So we're on our own time. For some reason, they decided to turn off the lights in our room. Okay, that's fine. And with our window, with all the windows of the hotel room, it's like just a giant one big window, and there's like a giant curtain over it. We were just chilling there, like 30 minutes go by, and so it's dead quiet. Like you can't hear anything outside. Then we started to hear little crackles, but it was like coming from outside. And then one of us like stopped each other. "Oh wait, hold on." And then it started to sound like footsteps coming closer over to our side. And we're just like, "What is?" And then we're like, "Shut up, don't do anything." And then we legit saw like a shadow go by our window.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, and its footsteps is clear as day, like it was just slowly. And then we're not saying anything. We're just holding our breath at this point, and then it gradually goes away. And then this is the part where we really get scared. We get a frantic phone call from one of our friends that's rooming with other girls in the hotel. Mind you, they're on on the other side. They're nowhere near us. And then they were saying like, "You guys, like, someone just called and we heard laughter." And then we're like, "What?" And then we're just like, "Do like, can we come to your room?" "No, what if he's outside or something?" Like, and then we're all panicking, we're all freaking out. We're like, "Dude, we just saw this shadow. We had a phone call," and we're all just freaking out and stuff like that. And then again, our phone rings and we're just like, okay. And then legit, I kid you not, it was a clown's laugh. A clown's laugh. Minute, and he heard it, closed it. Don't do that, like clans. But we immediately hanged it up, and we were getting ready to call our directors. We're like, F this, blah, blah, blah. But as soon as we're panicking, because we're just like, all right, F this, we're being loud, someone's trying to open our door. And at this point, we're like, what the F? Like, we're freaking out. And then I don't know, one of us mustered up courage to just open the door. And it turns out it was one of the guys pranking us.
They were not playing Yu-Gi-Oh!
This is
Lied.
the kicker of the story, because we're all joking around. The guys are just like, you stupid, blah, blah, blah. I turned to my friends that went to the trash can, and they're like, but we saw a guy standing there by the trash can, and it wasn't one of the boys. It was an adult, like a tall male just standing there. We didn't see his face. He was wearing all black. And then I asked my friend, I was like, did you guys walk by our place earlier? They were like, no, we just came right now. And then we're like, what the F did we just see? But that's the story. We have no idea.
Dang, imagine if like hotels were just secretly escape rooms.
Oh
No.